Hey guys, Good Kill here. Just wanted to do a quick video here. I'm putting together a interface. It's a kind of a web application called the DCS Companion Viewer. Basically what this is a consolidation of different parts of DCS that are kind of hard to find and put all these resources into maybe a one-click app that makes it real easy for people to get these resources instead of hunting down threads and doing this. So I'm putting together this project. Let me show you what I got so far. It's basically an interface, runs on all Windows machines, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever. It also is a touchscreen. So if you have a touchscreen tablet, this is all done. The user interface is basically the shape of a MFD. Let's call it a color MFD. And let me go through the interface real quick. You have your main part here. This is the main. These are the controls where you're going to use most. Over here on the right, you have the power button. You click that and you can shut down the app. Over to the right here, you have your volume controls. That's low, medium, high, volume off, pause, or whatever. Down here you have your moves. This will actually allow the interface to move. And of course you have your help button in different categories. Down on the bottom left is the full screen, minimize, and also the regular screen like you see here. So up at the top left we have the news. Let's take a look. You just click on it. And what this is going to do, it's going to go scrape from different sources the latest threads or latest website information. So it's quick, it scrolls. What you do is just highlight it or just move your cursor over it. And notice the article, it actually stops. So you cursor over the article to stop the scroll, and if you want to read the full article, then you just click on it. So you have Facebooks, you have DCS Twitters. This is actually just going and scraping their Twitter account and basically just getting the information. Say if we wanted to read more on this, just click on it and it'll pop you right to that particular thread. And to get back here, you just use your arrow button back, or the back button will get you where you need to be. So you got the news, you've got the Facebooks, you've got the Twitters. Download section, it's going to grab the last 25 downloads that are posted, as you can see here, so you can stay up to date on, you know, the new mods, new missions, new this, new that, which is pretty cool. So if we wanted to read that article, just click on it and it'll take you right there. There we go. The FARP Hollywood, it'll give you the information, and you can download it right directly from the app here. So you kind of get the gist of what that is here. Basically, the next item here, event calendar, and that's going to be the events for the DCS, different squads, whatever you want to submit. It will actually post it on here. Say if there's a contest or a, what have you, a ladder of some sort, you can just post it on here. Then, of course, Discord, it'll take you right to the combat radar, which I run. The dev group, and they'll take you there. You can see the other projects I'm working on. Go back to the main menu, file section, and this will just pop up, single, multiplayer, mods. And notice, like in multi-missions, it has tons and tons of different missions, multiplayer missions. And again, you just click on it, it'll take you to the original source, and or I'll host the source. So you've got it, you can download it, and real simple, real easy. Let's go to the training videos. Notice I have all the DCS modules, third party, and all the good stuff here. Say if we wanted to go to the Hornet, you just click on that, and it's going to take you to the instructional videos of the Hornet. And you can manipulate the screen, you can go full size. But basically, it's going to give you all the training materials, if you different parts of the Hornet, you know, how to bomb, canister munitions, high drag coefficients, and it's not only going to take you to the DCS, but here on the side, it's going to take you to other people's training videos as well. So you're going to have a whole library of different training videos. at your fingertips. So you just click the main button, go back to the main area. On the training documents, basically it's going to take you to all the documents. On the first page here, it's going to show up. You can zoom in. It's touchscreen, so you can just scroll it and do this. But this is going to have all the documents or the user manuals. So let me double click on this, and the user manual is going to load up from my server or the source that it comes in, and you have all the user manuals at your fingertip. And we'll get rid of that. Also, you have different categories. Say you have charts, you have maps, just click on the maps. And that's going to take you to one easy source type of thing here, where, again, find a map that you want and just click on it and go full screen or hit the plus key, and there you go. You have the map that you need for that particular airport. And it's really easy, so you kind of get the gist of this. So let's move on to music, flight music. This is kind of a flight music room. It has rock, it has blues, jazz, whatever you like to listen to, EDM. And this goes out to the different radio stations, what have you. It also has some videos if you like, if you have two screens or whatever, like to listen to live videos. And basically you just hit a button and you're playing music. Okay, podcast, same kind of deal. It's going to take you to the podcast. It's going to take you, say if you wanted the fighter pilot podcast, you just click on here, the player is going to show up. This will automatically go fetch it. You can scroll through the different episodes and it'll tell you what episode you're on, and so easy resource, easy thing to do. And you can close that with the controls, the player controls. Also, you have the, like aircraft interviews is really a good channel. It's going to take you to their whole library of different things. You can go that, you can go full screen, you can minimize, you can stop, that kind of stuff. So it's a good resource. Live stream is going to take you to all the live streams that are currently available, and that's still under construction. But then you have your mod section, live ATC, and this section is still being done here. And basically what's going to happen is you're just going to click on an airport, and that's going to automatically pop up the live ATC area for that particular airport. And this will be, I'm going to do this full screen, but you're going to have all the air traffic control options, whether ground control, tower, you can listen while you look at the planes and stuff like that. So it's just kind of a side note to help you, get familiar with ATC calls and stuff. Then we have over on the right side, your DCS Discord viewer. Basically, this will go out to all the TeamSpeaks that are available for DCS, as well as Discord servers. So there's about 50 over here. And basically it's just going to be a one-click join. So you come here, open, and one click, and it's going to take you right to that particular TeamSpeak. So no hassle, no fuss. There's about 100 here, and like I said, I think I counted about 80 that I have on both of these, all DCS squads, that kind of stuff, all touch screen, scroll. Okay, so we'll just close that out. Discord viewer is still in work. Server launcher, server board can be, I'm not sure what I'm going to do here yet if you have any ideas, but it's just kind of like a airport board that gives you information about different servers or whatever information that I want to post here. So you kind of see how that works. And then we have the thread search. This is going to go out to all the threads from DCS in multiple forums. It sends out a shot, collects all the threads. So if you type in like DCS, these are all the topics that the thread has DCS in. And you just click on that and it'll take you right to the thread if you find one that you want to read. So make it easy to catch up, or if you have a question, just type in that keyword search. Let's see, up at the top you have your links. Tons. I have over 1,000 in there already. Links from DCS, all DCS modules, third-party modules, campaigns, developers, squads, and clans. This has tons of different squads that I bet you didn't know. And all you do to see what they're up to is just go up to them and click on it. And it'll take you right to their particular squad page. Just bing, bang, boom. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Try to alleviate a lot of time, a lot of search time. Also, the links have hardware, aircraft pictures, top YouTube channels, and just it goes on and on. And again, thousands of different links pertaining to either aircraft or whatever. Here you can add your own content. Say if you have a link or you want your information on here, if you have a squad that I didn't catch, you just add information and send it to me and I'll get it in here. System is going to be basically, it's going to have a GPU, CPU, all your monitoring, all your stats. It's going to have a section in here where you can close out all the current programs that are running before you launch, and possibly a launcher of some sort on here to free up your memory to use it all for DCS. So I'm still working on that. Code snippets is going to be a library of code where you can just copy paste, put in your mission. They're already tested, they already work. It's real simple. That's in progress. Game tips and about. It's a little bit. So this is kind of again, a DCS Companion viewer. So if you're interested in this project, testing it out, I'll go ahead and post this once I'm done. But eventually, hopefully, we'll get some real interesting mods in here that will be a one-click type of install. So let me know what you guys want. Thanks.